Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss alcohols, phenols, and ether, the next unit in the organic chemistry. So, today I am going to discuss the general introduction regarding alcohols and phenols. I am going to discuss. I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. What are alcohol and phenols? Alcohols and phenols are formed by replacement of hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbon which is aliphatic or aromatic by OH group. For example, suppose let me take a general formula. This is for alcohol or phenol. General, if R equal to alkyl group like methyl or ethyl, we will call it as alcohol. If R equal to a phenyl group, we will call it as phenol. So, if we kindly follow in an hydrocarbon, this is an hydrocarbon. So, if you substitute this hydrogen by OH group, we are getting this alcohol and phenol. So, alcohol and phenols are formed by replacement of hydrogen atoms in a hydrocarbon saturated, aliphatic or aromatic by OH group. Kindly understand this. Okay. As usual, we know when you study any organic compounds, the normal is test for the functional groups. I have already discussed the test for functional group under classification of organic compound. Under the unit basic concept of organic chemistry I have discussed. Anyhow, let me remind you again how alcohol can be tested. The first test is esterification test. Esterification test. Kindly follow. What is esterification test? Any alcohol you treat with aromatic acid like benzoic acid in presence of consulfuric acid, in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, heat strongly, and after heating take one drop of this solution, add in a beaker containing water, add just one drop. Then you neutralize with ammonium hydroxide because there may be excess sulfuric acid may be there, that should be neutralized. Now smell the solution. The formation of ester. What is happening here? In this case, actually C6H5COOR plus water is formed. So this is the aromatic ester. So this generally aromatic esters are characteristic odor like fruity odor. Fruity odor. Smell. Fruity smell shows the presence of alcohol. The same test you can apply for acid also, aromatic acid, by using alcohol. So this is the most important test for alcohol. Kindly follow. This is the way we have to test for alcohol. The same way, how to test phenols? Normally, phenols can be give characteristic color with neutral ferric chloride. Neutral ferric chloride. Normally, ferric chloride will be prepared in presence of acid, so it will be an acidic condition. So by adding ammonium hydroxide, it should be neutralized. Then you add just 1 drop to the phenol, you will get a violet color. So in this case of phenol, kindly follow violet color. But all for the phenols will not give same color, violet color. So different phenol will different colors. So when I am discussing about the classification, I can tell you the color there. Here what is actually happening is ferric phenolate it is forming. Kindly follow what is happening here. C6H5O thrice. So this is forming. Ferric phenolate it is forming. The OH is going out in the form of phenoxide ion. So that the ion is 3 plus Fe. So 3 phenol ion is introduced, the reacting here. This complex is giving the color for violet color it is produced. Please follow. So in your book you are studying, one is phenol, another is you are studying under the acid, salicylic acid. Please follow. Only these two compounds are in your book. So this is also giving violet color. This is also giving violet color. So here I want to give one important information. All phenol will not give same violet color. It will give different colors depending upon the nature of phenol. Some phenol even will not give color at all. It is due to the suitable reason. I can give you one simple example. Kindly follow. You take here, this is the salicylic acid, orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Another is metahydroxybenzoic acid. And third one is para-hydroxybenzoic acid. Please follow. So these 3 examples, this is you can even study under the acid. So why I want to give this here? This is giving violet color. This is no color. This is red color. Kindly follow. The interesting information I am giving, the 2 important information. One is this is giving violet. So here there is no color. Here red color. So all phenols will not give same color. This is the proof. Second thing is no color. Why metahydroxybenzoic acid is not color? Because the reason here it is, kindly follow, it is due to the resonance structure. Kindly follow. If you go for resonance, so whenever reaction means you have to write in the form of this way. So kindly follow. So I am writing here metahydroxybenzoic acid. Kindly follow. This is electron releasing group. We have seen already under the basic concept of organic chemistry. This is the attracting group. Kindly follow. So this is releasing means this is going this way, this is going this way. Whereas automatically this has to go this way. Now kindly follow. According to COH group, which is attracting group, which will not allow the electron to go away from the carbon atom connected here. That means it opposes to form the phenolate ion. So when there are in meta positions, so it will not form phenolate ion, so it will give no color with the neutral ferric chloride. That is the reason. Kindly follow. Normally, if you want to revise, that is ordinary books will not give this. This is given in IL Phenar. The first volume you can take, if you see, it's a very, very old book, but it's a very good book. It's a Bible for organic chemistry. Okay, this is regarding for taste. So now as usual we will come for, we are going to study classification, nomenclature, isomerism, preparation, properties and uses. This is commonly we are discussing in all organic compound. First let me concentrate on classification of alcohols and phenol. So first alcohols I can classify into aliphatic alcohol, aromatic alcohol. Aromatic only we will say aryl means phenol, alkyl benzyl alcohol. That's correspondingly. So coming for aliphatic, open chain, closed chain. Open chain again saturated, unsaturated. So corresponding alcohol we have to say saturated alcohol, unsaturated alcohol, closed chain again alcohol, the aryl phenol or alkyl benzyl alcohol. So let me go over each detail. Coming for alcohol and phenol, aliphatic alcohol example, exyl alcohol or IUPAC, hexane 1-ol, OL, 1-hexanol. Here aromatic phenol is the IUPAC name. Coming for aliphatic alcohol, open chain and closed chain. Open chain as usual 1-hexanol or hexyl alcohol. Closed chain cyclohexyl alcohol or 1-hydroxycyclohexane. 1-hydroxycyclohexane. Kindly follow. Then open chain, kindly follow. I am further classify into saturated and unsaturated. Saturated example methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. So you are going to study under the preparation and properties these two compounds we are concentrating. We are going to study methanol and ethanol. Kindly follow. Under the unsaturated, this is called vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol. Kindly follow. Coming for saturated, even saturated will have containing only one functional group. We have more than one functional groups. Kindly follow. Only one functional group we have discussed already, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. With more than one functional group, this is glycol, ethylene glycol, this is glycerol. These two compounds, preparation properties, we are going to study under this unit. So you should be very, very important. Coming for unsaturated, I have already discussed, this is vinyl alcohol, this is allyl alcohol. Kindly follow. These groups are called vinyl and allyl group. So if it is chloride, vinyl chloride. If it is OH, vinyl alcohol, that is alcohol. If it is here same way, allyl chloride, allyl alcohol. So here these are the important point, common name. Coming for phenol, very, very important. Simply phenol is a aryl alcohol. OH attached directly benzene ring, which is the electron releasing group. Benzyl alcohol or alkyl alcohol. So benzene ring CH2OH. This is aliphatic site. This is aromatic. So alkyl alcohol. Kindly follow. Now let me come for the nomenclature. Alcohol. Common name, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. This is glycol, this is glycerol. So these four we are going to study preparation properties and uses. That's why I am giving example here. So common name is this: methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, glycol and glycerol. Glycol 2 OH group, glycerol 3 OH groups. Now coming for alcohol, common name based on the chain. I have already informed you. Commonly, the common name will be based on three ways. One is source, another is based on the chain, nature of chain, position of the functional group. position of functional group. The three ways we can classify the alcohol, we can give common name. So, the source we have already discussed here based on the chain. N-pentyl alcohol, isopentyl alcohol, and neopentyl alcohol. Kindly follow. Examples based on chain. This is based on the position of the functional group. Primary butyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol. This also we have discussed. The primary, secondary, tertiary purely depending upon the functional group which is attached to carbon. If it is attached to only one carbon, primary. If it is attached to 2 carbon, it is secondary. 3 carbon, it is tertiary. So how we are discussing, that is based on the position of the functional group, it is attached to carbon. Kindly follow. So primary butyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol, and tertiary butyl alcohol. So this is the way we have to give common name. Coming for IUPAC, kindly follow methanol, simply methanol, ethanol. That means we are dropping E, adding OL. Whenever vowels I, O, A-E-I-O-U, vowels A, E, I, O, U. So these vowels are coming. So automatically the methane from the hydrocarbon name E will be dropped and should be suffix of the functional group should be added. This is the IUPAC name we have discussed already under the basic concept of chemistry. So methanol, ethanol. Kindly follow. Coming for phenol, very interesting informations. So first I will take one OH present in the benzene ring, then 2 OH, then 3 OH. You must know about this. So, this is common name phenol. IPH name also we are naming it as phenol or hydroxybenzene. 1-hydroxybenzene. Kindly follow. So, this is with neutral ferric chloride. Please kindly note, my dear students, this is very, very important. Violet color. Test for phenol, violet color it is producing. Now, it will come for 2 OH group attached to benzene ring. So 2 OH group, this is the common name catechol. 1,2, that is IUPAC name 1,2-dihydroxybenzene. So this is with the neutral ferric chloride is giving green color. Please follow. Green color it is producing. See the interesting information? I told you depending upon the nature. So kindly note this. It is a green color. Next. Let me go for the second dihydroxy. Common name this is resorcinol. Normally resorcinol is used for the number of compounds we are preparing. So IUPAC name is 1,3-dihydroxybenzene. So with the neutral ferric chloride, kindly follow. So this resorcinol is giving yellowish green fluorescence, yellowish green color. Yellowish green fluorescence it is giving. Yellowish green fluorescence it is giving. This is resorcinol. Kindly follow solid. The next dihydroxybenzene, common name quinol. IUPAC name 1,4-dihydroxybenzene. The interesting information here, this is with neutral ferric chloride, gives blue color. Please follow. So I am giving all proof. Different phenol giving different color. Okay. The next one. Three hydroxy groups in the benzene ring. The first one, that is pyrogalol is the common name. The IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3 trihydroxybenzene. Pyrogalol. So this pyrogalol gives the corresponding neutral ferric chloride. When you treat, actually always neutral ferric chloride we have to treat. This will be giving blue color changing to red color. So giving blue slowly changing to red color, that is called pyrogalol will answer. The next one. Common name for this one, hydroxyquinol or IUPAC 1, 2, 4 trihydroxybenzene. So this is with neutral ferric chloride giving color, kindly follow, reddish color changing to green. Reddish changing to green. This is the color for hydroxyquinol. And common name for the third trihydroxy, fluorochloroethanol. That is IUPAC name 1, 3, 5 trihydroxybenzene. This is with neutral for the ferric chloride gives purple color. So my dear students, I have indicated now all the important phenolic, monohydric, dihydric and trihydric phenols I have discussed, and I have shown you with proof, the color varies from phenol to phenol. Kindly follow. So all these, at least you must know the name and structure. In the case of polyphenolic compounds, only name and structure, and if possible color variation. Question may be asked. Okay. Let me take alcohol, then I will go for phenol. Under the alcohols, so we have already discussed the corresponding naming, common name as well as IUPAC name. Let me come for isomerism. Dear students, isomerism means we know optical, that is the compounds having same molecular formula but different physical and chemical properties are called isomer, and the phenomenon exhibited by this isomer is called isomerism. A simple example, C2H6O general formula. It gives two other formula, that is ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether. Kindly follow. This is actually coming under functional group isomerism. Anyhow, this is structural isomerism. The general form example I am giving is the isomerism. Please follow. Different physical properties, different chemical properties, but molecular formula is same. That is called isomerism. So now what is our important idea here? It is, what are the isomerism possible in alcohol? What are the isomerism not possible in alcohol? Question will be asked. One among the following isomerism is possible, is not possible, like that question will be asked. So here, chain isomerism is possible, positional isomerism is possible, functional group is possible, optical isomerism is possible. The only isomerism not possible here is metamerism and geometrical. Please follow. So, how to memorize? Very, very easy. So, let me give the idea. There are 6 isomerism possible. Kindly follow. 6 isomerism, 4, this is 5, this is 6. So 1 and 4, kindly follow, always possible. So easy to memorize. Chain isomerism, optical isomerism is always possible in all types. That is one easy. Second is geometrical. Kindly follow. Geometrical isomerism is always possible only in alkene derivative. That also easily you can memorize. So 3 over. Only remaining 3 is positional isomerism, functional group isomerism, metamerism. Coming for metamerism, to form metamerism, functional group should come at the center of the chain, carbon chain. Easy way you memorize. Kindly follow. Then again, positional isomerism means there is the positional group changing the position, 1, 2, 3 like that. Easy. Functional group isomerism means we have seen just now alcohol and ether, 2 different. Only 5 pairs are available. So this way you have to memorize easily. Okay, let me discuss what are the possible isomerism with a suitable example. Chain. One is normal chain, another is iso. Normal, iso, neo. We have already discussed. So in this case, 4 carbon atoms, so N-butyl alcohol and isobutyl alcohol exhibit chain isomerism. Please follow. Coming for positional isomerism, I am changing the position. Just see here again 4 carbon atom, 1 butanol. Here changing the OH, 2 butanol. One interesting information I want to give here, carbon containing functional groups, kindly follow. Carbon containing functional groups will not show positional isomerism. Please follow. They will not show positional isomerism because when we are giving IUPAC name, we are always starting 1 here, 1 here. But this, in the case of carcibo, even though we are not giving 1, this is coming under the metamerism because occupy the center. So that also coming under this carbon containing functional group. So that means that it will not show positional isomerism, but it will show only metamerism. So kindly remember this way. Okay, then functional group isomerism. So the first case, same molecular formula C2H6O, ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether are examples of functional isomerism. Here functional group OH, here is O, functional group. Then optical isomerism is possible. You know optical isomerism, what is the basic important condition? Asymmetric carbon atom. So 2-butanol is having asymmetric carbon atom. Kindly show you. I will draw here to understand here. Kindly follow. So I told you all types of organic compound will show the optical isomerism. How I have just follow this. No books will give this idea. I am giving, kindly follow. Put a plus according to Fisher projection. Put a cross and write hydrogen lowermost, left side methyl group, top ethyl group. Please follow. We are writing 3 different. And the 4th group you can write whatever functional group you want. So this is applicable for all types of organic compound. Suppose alkane, I will write propyl group. Halide, I can write Cl. OH, I am writing alcohol OH. COH, COH, CHO, like that. So this is the easiest way. So kindly follow here. So this is according to this RS configuration. 1, 2, 3. So this is R. So R 2-butanol. This is N-2-butanol. Kindly follow. This is according to theoretically. I am giving IUPAC name for R on S, but if you measure it may be plus or minus. Plus or minus, we have no idea. That is experimentally. Suppose this is plus means this is minus. This is minus means this is plus. That should be determined only by experimentally by using polarimeter. Please follow. So R and S 2-butanol is examples of optical isomerism. Kindly follow. Dear students, I have come to the conclusion. So I have discussed today the general ideas regarding alcohols, starting from the test for functional group, nomenclature, the uh, corresponding isomerisms I have discussed. So next class I will discuss the preparation properties and uses of general method of preparation of the alcohols I will take. So I hope I can come to the conclusion. Thank you very much for kind cooperation you have given to me, my dear students. And the students who are viewing my video channel for the first time in YouTube, my channel is Neat Chemistry by Dr.R.G. If you are coming for the first time, kindly click like, click and subscribe to motivate me. So I have started this channel in order to help poor students of India. So who are having not capacity to join tuition even for the difficult topics like physics, chemistry and maths. So one way I want to help, so as a chemistry man, I want to help for chemistry. So like me, suppose anybody, physics and maths people, if they are interested, let them help them by the same way by starting channel. Okay. So if you follow properly my channel, I can give you assurance you will get minimum 90 to 100 marks out of 100. Definitely you will get. And if you go for NEET, and automatically you will get 180 out of 180 in chemistry. I can give guarantee. So kindly share this information to all students. And also what I have did here in my channel in order to motivate even the lower class, that is 8th standard, 9th standard and 10th standard chapters, also I included under the basic concept of chemistry. Actually in plus 1, the basic concept of chemistry is the first unit, plus 1. Under this plus 1, only 16 pages are there. But I have taken nearly 16 to 17 lessons of 45 to 1 hour duration I have taken. Just think, so it is including 8 standard chapters, 9th, 10th, plus 1 and completely plus 2. So this will be very, very useful from 8th to 12th students. Please share this information with your friends and kindly get the benefit. Thank you. So I want to give another information who are waiting for to write on NEET and an examination will be conducted by Government of India. That is, students who are studying plus 1, plus 2 and plus 2 completed students waiting for the coming academic year to write NEET entrance examination. I have a good news for you. We are running a coaching center, Vetri Coaching Center in Pondicherry for the last 21 years. We have our lot of achievement we have for the last 21 years. And we have our own website, Vetri.S. If you go to enter our Vetri.S and if you go to the home page, you can see all proof we have given in terms of photograph. Kindly follow evidences. So 1 or 2 evidences I will give now. So every year 10 to 20 students are entered into medical Jipper College from the beginning to up to last to 2021. Kindly follow. And 150 to 200 students are joining other medical colleges in the government quota. A few students are joining IIT and hundreds of students are joining other engineering college. This is the first achievement. The second achievement is in 2003, our student R. Srinivasa Raghavan, who got All India first rank in JIPMER. Kindly follow. In 2003 itself, we got All India first rank. Kindly follow. And regularly ninth rank, fifth rank, like that again our students are getting, and you can see in the home page. So this is our best achievement in 2003. R. Srinivasa Raghavan got All India first rank in JIPMAR. At that time, NEET common entrance examination was not there. Okay, this is our achievement. So let me give regarding my Vettitatus website. So in the pandemic conditions, Corona presence, so even students are not going properly to the school, and they are being only by online. So we have started framing even in the 2017, 14, 15, 16, 2 years we have framed here for this one. And NEET was announced. So based on the NEET, we have derived this entire Vettitatus website we have created to reach throughout India. Kindly follow. But we are not giving advertisement, etc. That the local people we know we are the best in the Pondicherry. I want to give three important information regarding Vettitatus. One, it has 200 video lesson, 200 unit test. Please follow. Regarding unit lesson, so each unit will be having 2, 3, 4 or 5 depending upon the weightage, the lessons will be there. So professor with doctorate degree and 20 to 30 years of teaching experience in IIT and medical, also teaching for BSc, MSc and MPhil PhD students, handling classes. So they can give you a very clear idea. You can see as a home like, if you see the video, you can see the classroom coaching. Really. How? Because only thing you cannot raise question, that's all. And promotions also are given. If you join with your test, you can raise question and the reply you can get. Kindly follow. In the video lesson, one important advantage is it will be not the other online coaching. It is full of notes. Everything will be coming in, you can see definition, derivation, everything will come there. Professor will read and explain extra things. So if you want to note the notes, extra points, if you are not aware of, kindly touch at the center, the video will stop. You can take notes, then touch again, it will move. Please follow. This is the way you can view any number of times you can. This is the one advantage. The second important advantage is we have framed 200 unit tests. Unit wise we are framed. Each unit, kindly follow, of each subject we have 2 tests, test 1, test 2. Each one have 45 questions. So 90 questions from each unit we have. So kindly follow all the unit questions we have framed by taking the previous question papers of IIT, AIMS, AFMC, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. So only these questions are included in the unit test. If you attend this unit test, all the 200 unit tests, you will minimum 320 marks you will get easily, I will say. How? Because for the last 6 years when NEET was started, we have observed all the question papers, 75 to 80 questions are same question repeated. Same questions are repeated from our Vettitatus question bank. It is there. So that means Vettitatus will give you 320 marks to you. So if you are a good student, you can get 300 plus. So easily you will get 600 to 700 marks. You will come to All India rank. So you can join JIPMAR, the AIMS or Vellore, wherever you want. 100% you will guarantee you will you will become a doctor. Even a dull student, they will get easily 500 marks by attending all the 200 tests. Then I will explain the test. You can see the advantage in that. So let me go for the next one. Coming for the test, so suppose after studying your books notes as well as our lessons, if you join with it others, our lesson, video lessons, after reading, now attend the test. Go to the test and the test, click the whatever test. In this case, alcohol and phenol, there is a unit. Alcohol, phenol and ether unit, and touch it. And if you click that, the window will open. There is on right side, there is attempt. Click attempt. Immediately, what will happen now? A window will open. And it will give information. This unit contains 45 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. 45 minutes will be given for you to complete the test. For correct answer 4 marks, wrong answer -1 will be subtracted. Are you ready? It will ask. If you're ready actually, you take a notebook, rough notebook and a pen and then click OK. Immediately another window will open. You can see question number 1. Option A, option B, option C, option D, you can see. Below that, kindly follow, you have 3 menus, and below again there is 1 to 45 number will be there. It is a question number in yellow color. Kindly follow. These provisions are not given any online. Please follow. It's not given. So what will happen now? Kindly follow. So in this case, suppose you are seeing the question number 1, and if you observe A is the correct answer, click. Immediately the number 1 changing to green color. Yellow color changing to green color. That means you have attended. What is the menu here? Center is complete. You should not touch. It's only after completion. This is next to go for next question. This is the reverse, go for the back question. Kindly follow. So suppose after attending 20 questions, if you see 1 to 45 number, so 20 will be in green color, the 25 will be in yellow color. Kindly follow. This is the interesting information. So before completing, pressing the complete menu, you can check there is any yellow color or not. And it is not necessary you have to attend all the questions. Please, if it is not note, don't touch, you will lose 1 mark. So let's assume now you have attended all the 45 questions. Click complete. When you click complete, immediately a window will open. You will get marks. 45 means 180. Out of 180, suppose you are getting 160. So you are losing 20 marks. You want to know by self-assessment. This self-assessment is not available in any online coaching. Please follow. In India, there are number of leading coaching centers, but they are not having this. Only vetted doctors is having this. I can claim that one is a merit. What is that? There is a menu called review. Review menu. Next to mark, there is a called review. You press review, a window will open. A window will open. In the window, you can see the question 1, option A, option B, option C, option D. Correct answer will be given in yellow color. And below there is video solution. Kindly follow. Video solution is not available in any other online coaching center. Please follow. What is another important self-assessment? You have answered A. It will be in blue color. Your correct answer will be in yellow color. If these two answers coincides, your answer is correct. If they are different, you have done wrong. Kindly follow. You have gone wrong. Understand this? So that means you have assessed yourself whether your answer is right or wrong for each question. You can. And if you want to view the question solution, click the video solution. And professor having PhD degree with 20 to 30 years of experience in coaching will explain the question answer nearly 10 to 15 minutes they will discuss. It is just like classroom. He will be standing in front of a board. In the board you can see the question. It is what we can say online board it is. So you can see everything. It is connected in online. So you can see the board. So question you can see, answer option you can see, and he will tell under what topic the question was asked and what subtopic the question is asked. Then he will start explaining the definition, formula, differences, diagram if necessary, table column if necessary. Everything will be given in the form of data. So this provision is not available in any other online coaching. In other online coaching, they will give a single word or one or two lines that will be given as solution. Kindly verify the leading online coaching and compare with us, because there are free versions are given. Even Witty.R.G is giving the free NEET coaching that is given. So you can see and verify. Kindly follow. So he will explain everything. This is the most important. Now, before completing, let me give another information. The NEET coaching by Witty.R.G is the low cost, only 10,000 rupees per year. We are collecting for 4 years. That is 4 subjects for 1 year. If you go other online coaching, they will collect in lakhs. This is only applicable for poor students. Kindly follow. Even poor students, they can offer this one. They can offer this. Kindly follow. How to pay this 10,000? You pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, Director of Vetri Coaching Center, in the Indian Bank. Account number 712719471, IFC code IDIB 000P134, cell number 989417645. Kindly follow. Before concluding, I want to give you, my dear students, one important information. How to get more marks in NEET chemistry. Especially students are waiting for +1, +2 and +2 completed students. Kindly follow this technique to the idea, suggestions given I will give. You follow this idea, you will get easily 600 to 700 marks. How? You have to follow 3 steps. What way 3 steps followed? First step, attend this order: botany, zoology, chemistry and physics. Only this order you have to attend the question. First, you have to go only known questions. I told you known means 100%. By reading the question theory, immediately you know. Immediately, for example, one of the following compound gives purple color. If it is phenol, please tick. If it is immediately 100%, you know. It is easy. So like that, known question you first go through and put tick mark. I told you, if you join with us, Witty.R.G, nearly 75 to 80 questions are repeated. So you can easily go 100 to 120 questions. Easily you can click. Theory questions. Please follow. Then, so you have to follow first botany, second zoology, third chemistry, fourth physics. This is the first. Second step, you can go for the theory question which are very difficult to answer. You are feeling difficulty. So think now twice, thrice, etc. And if you feel it is more than 80%, it is worth, put a tick mark. If it is less than 40%, don't click the answer. Please follow, keep it in mind. It is not necessary to attend all the questions. Our aim is to get 600 to 700. So we follow this technique. So second step you complete. Third step, you go for the maths, that is the problems involved in chemistry and physics. 1/3 of the question will be problem in chemistry, 50% will be problem in physics. So in this case, now you have to apply suitable formula, read well, substitute properly the units, SI units, the values, calculate, get the answer. And compare with the option. If the answer is coinciding with one of the options, so if it is right, you click. If it is not coinciding, you verify again calculation. If you have done any mistake, then compare and click. So this is the way you have to follow. If you follow this technique, any good student will easily get 600 to 700 marks. Even a dull student, they will get 500 marks. Please follow. So thank you very much for your the kind cooperation. I will see you again in my next unit. Bye bye.